Welcome to the new lesson. Let us understand how to write a research proposal. So, before we start understanding what is research proposal, let us recap yesterday's class. I hope you remember this slide. We had answered which is the most suitable business for internal organization. There are two categories. Businesses which are in this category are not suitable, whereas businesses are in this category are suitable just because you will be able to collect necessary primary data from these business organizations. We have also answered a basic questions like should I choose big companies like Google, Sony, etc. No, you cannot, just because you won't be able to collect primary data. Can I take my family business? Yes, you can take. Can I take a restaurant in my locality? Yes, you can take. Can I take my friend's car rental business? Yes, you can take. So this is what we discussed in the last class. Let us move further. The elements of IA, you are aware of this one. IA has four important elements: research proposal, written report, executive summary, and other part. And hence, today's focus is on research proposal. What is a research proposal? How to write it? What are the elements? And so on. And hence, the learning outcome of the today's class. By the end of this class, you should be able to answer what is a research proposal. Then, what is the maximum length of research proposal? What are the elements of a research proposal? And finally, you will answer what is the maximum marks for research proposal. So just to repeat, by the end of this class, you should be able to answer these four questions. Now let us answer question number 1. What is a research proposal? Research proposal is a primary planning document, underline, which gives a direction to the research project. This is written in the future tense, reviewing it regularly with the teacher and modifying or rewriting it when circumstances change. So if you look at this simple definition, there are three key terms. One is, this is a primary planning document. Since it is a planning document, it has to be written in future tense. Since it is a planning document, this document has to be reviewed regularly with the help of your teacher. So this is what is called research proposal. Our next question is, what is the maximum word limit? The entire research proposal should be within 500 words. How many words? 500 words. Next question is, what are the elements of a research proposal? So this research proposal has 5 elements. These are research question. We talk more about how to write a research question in our next video. Second one is rationale. In this section, you talk about the reason for taking up this investigation. Third, proposed methodology. Your methodology should include areas of syllabus. Which area are you covering in this internal assessment? Possible sources of information, primary information, secondary information, primary data, secondary data, so on. Organizations and individuals to be approached. Are you meeting managers, CEO, MD, potential customers, current customers, so on. Methods to be used to collect data and analyze data. Different analytical tools like Ansoff matrix, fishbone diagram, decision tree diagram, and reason for choosing them. You have to justify why do you think these tools are relevant to your internal assessment. The fourth element is anticipated difficulties with solutions, because during the course of your internal assessment you might come up with some difficulties, maybe regarding collection of data or sampling size and so on. Then you have to anticipate and you have to give the probable solutions in this section. Finally, action plan in the form of a Gantt chart. So these are the 5 elements of your research proposal. Our next question is, what is the maximum mark? Research proposal carries just 3 marks. If you want to get 3 marks, your research proposal should have all required elements and they are appropriate, detailed, clear, and focused. If you do not produce research proposal, you will be awarded 0. So these are the 4 important elements of your research proposal. Now the summary of our today's class. What is a research proposal? It is a primary planning document. What is the maximum length of research proposal? It is 500 words. How many elements are there in a research proposal? There are 5. What is the maximum marks for the research proposal? It is 3 marks. If you do not produce, you will be awarded 0. So with this, we come to the end of how to write a research proposal. Thank you very much. Have a great day.